Yeah, what do you want?
Ma'am, was you working here 11 years ago?
Yeah.
Well, we had terrible troubles back then, and we had to leave our baby here on the front stoop.
Little girl. Annie.
You're Annie's parents? I can't believe it. Where'd you say you were from again?
A little farm up in Canada where they got lots of ducks and geese and chickens and roosters. Cock-a-doodle-doo!
Gotcha, sis.
Rooster? I wouldn't have known it was you in 100 years.
Fooled you, Aggie. We're gonna fool Warbucks, too.
Get ourselves 50,000 big ones.
But we need your help, sis, for details about Annie that'll help us pull this thing off.
What's in it for me?
Three-way split?
Half. Half? Half.
Okay, 25 grand each, but we gotta do it fast. Get the kid, get the money, and get out of town.
The kid's the problem. What do we do with your apple?
No problem. When I want something to disappear, it disappears. For good. We get the 50 grand, we blow this crummy town, and then Lil and me'll meet you.
Where? Oh, yeah.
Here